one looks like a bulletproof. Okay.
Shake it to the wall. Shake my body, boom, boom, boom. Body, boom.
I ain't stopping me. Oh yes, it shall be. Wild hip hop, and that is what I wanna be. Left, right, back to the center.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the shapewears I bought from a second-hand market. And guys, just comment below if you'd wear second-hand outfits, especially underwears, bras, and actually some of them I think they are new because they had tags, and maybe someone just bought it and decided like, let me just donate it, and it ended up in my hands. Okay, like that. If you think they're not safe, you can wear them with panty liner or pad, and I think that one should be safe. All these shapers, guys, they were going at 30 Kenyan shillings each. 30 Kenyan shillings, and that is 30 cents. 30 cents each thing. Wash them thoroughly because you might end up contracting some diseases which you don't know where they came from, because you don't know who was wearing these pants, and you might end up blaming yourself or someone, and this was actually your fault. Comment below, especially like here in my country, especially bras here in my country, like they are all over, and like when you go to a market and you find there's a place where ladies are crowded, just know they're selling bras there. Because they are beautiful, they are unique, they are durable. I wouldn't advise you to buy a second-hand underwear. Personally, I don't wear second-hand underwear. I think it is gross. I think it is, oh my god, I don't think I can buy that. I think it is, I don't think it's just safe. Okay, I'm saying this, and I bought a second-hand body shape, and this is just the same as second-hand underwear. So that is hypocrisy. How can you tell someone not to wear a second-hand underwear and you go and buy a second-hand body shaper? That is hypocrisy. Okay guys, just comment below if you'd buy these second-hand outfits, body shapers, underwear. And so guys, here they are. These shorts. 13, 14, 15. And then I bought these two shorts. These 60 bob, which is 60 cents, and it was just so cute I couldn't like not buy it. And 60 bob, which is 60 cents. This one, whoo, look at it. I buy these shapers and these shorts, two shorts. I was checking here just to see if there are any stains, and then I've ironed this place here. I soak them in hot water. I've ironed them. I soak them in hot water for 3 days. First day I soak them in water, pour the water, dry these shapers. I soak them again in water day 2, and then day 3 I wash them, hang them, dry them, iron them, blow dry them. Yes, I just want to make sure they're safe. Guys, I know this is a cliche on my channel. I always tell you, if you wear these body shapers, just make sure you pair them with multicolored outfits. The good thing about these motorbikes, guys, these motorbikes are making noise for me. And that is our first corset. Guys, look at that corset. And but then I love this one, guys, because it's also safe. It's not like, you know, you're not going to wear it as an underwear, which is safe and clean. Yeah.
Maybe I could lose them with you.
Guys, in my entire life I've always been in love with body shapers, these boy trainers and all that, but I never knew they were a dress body shaper. Like this one here, they exist. I love this because it has these door wires, and then this one is just plain. There's a line here going like that, so this part is supposed to be here, yes, like that. Let me wear it in this dress. And it's not even showing at all. Even at the back, it is not showing. This is also all the ladies. This is what Ruby says. Ruby is one of the richest guys in Kenya.
Our wives are not second-hand. Why should they wear underwear used by another woman? I would rather wear a very simple cloth, but it's clean, it's new.
Okay, can't wait in this dress because of the, you know, back, but it is still amazing, right? Wow. And so this is the second dress, body shaper, and I love it because it's like a bar right here. I can literally go out in this because it's like a dress. Wow. But it's too tight. It is too tight compared to the first one. The first one was a bit comfortable. This black dress. Wow. 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 This one actually, guys, this one is better than the first one because, like, in this type of outfits, the strapless one, I can wear them with this body shaper panty liner just to be safe. You can wear them with the panty liner, which I wish you know is not safe there to wearing panty liners every now and then. But once in a while, when you're wearing this, so that you don't contract some diseases that you don't understand. Oh, let me try this one. Yeah. Let's try this on. Boom, boom, boom.
I'm still just feel like maybe I could lose some with you. Lose some with you. Lose some with you. Just feel like maybe.
I found two favorite. This one and then the dress body shapers. Oh my god, guys, I really love this one. You're not going to touch mine. Oh, you are not going to touch mine. I can like literally wear it with a bra and it's just like, okay, alright. This one is not fitting. But the thing is, I didn't try these ones on because, you know, you're in front of people and you can't try something on like this, so I didn't want to try them on. I just bought them because I assumed they're going to fit me, and now I am struggling to put this on.
I'm no saint.
Like this one, guys, look at it. It is like giving me this tires. Okay, it doesn't look pretty at all. It is too tight. I don't like it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I don't like it. That one, this is going to the dustbin, guys. Oops. This one is a no-no to the dustbin. I've told you in my previous videos, if you want your bag to be lifted, you have to buy this type of pants, the boy shorts that are long and the material is thick, like this one. I really love it because the material is thick. It has a hole. Like, why you did something like that? It has a hole. It's similar. It's just the same as the first one, and I love it. But now this one is not that tight. The material is not that thick. The material is not that thick. But what to do? What to say? I love it. I will be wearing this because it is too small and it doesn't fit me. And okay.
Some work in progress, good things go slow.
I'm supposed to wear it. Okay, this part is supposed to be there. Or there. 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 This one, you can't wear it in a dress. It will embarrass you. It will embarrass you. Because it's rolling up. Okay. Like, it rolls up. Okay. No. Oh, it rolls up. Oops. No. This one to the dustbin. Guys, I was not going to wear this underwear because I just feel like wearing this is like dirty and gross and no. But I must be tempted to wear it. I might be because I like it. I really do. I will just have to use panty liner. But it will be tighter on someone who has a bigger tummy. It's not that tight. I don't like it because it's not that tight, and because also maybe because it's XL, it's not really my size. My favorite boystring. It is not thick.
I'm no saint.
It looks like a bulletproof.
I'm no saint.
And that, like that. This one I can't wear it in a dress and go with it out. Maybe just to the gym. If you can wear this to the gym, you can wear this to the gym or in the house when you're doing your house chores. But and it's not really doing much. And this guy likes to meet a body shaper, and I was so like, okay, because it's cheap, let me just buy it. And I bought it, and I just realized later it isn't all. And it's supposed to be from a size maybe 6, and look at it. It is a beautiful top, but it is for like a size maybe 6 or a size 8. Yeah, it will really look good on a size 6 or a size 8 person. This one is not a body shaper, this one is a top. It is a top. Yeah.
Hey you baby, I'm gonna shake it low, shake it to the wall, shake my body, boom, 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 body, boom, shake it.
And so that was it, guys, for today. If you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and also comment below if you buy these secondhand shapewears or any secondhand cloth. Just comment below. And yeah, so that is it, guys. See you in my next video. Love you.